Welcome to today's modular classroom. So in the ChatGPT and the AI series which we are looking into, today we are going to see how you can create a free video with the help of the text which you enter. So text to video generation, we have already seen this descript which I'll be including in the description box, so you can look into the video if you have not yet seen. So Descript is another wonderful tool which helps us in converting the text to video. So similarly, the Synthesia is another video generator which helps in a free AI video generator, or even the premium versions are available which gives you more features than the free version. So for this you have to enter into that. So it is a free demo video generator which can convert the text to video for free, and you have to go to the synthesia.io and click on create free AI video. From there you can choose a template, and there are many templates available. You can select a video template which can be Synthesia demo, sales pitch, learning or development, compliment or how to video. These are the templates which are available. You can edit the video script. Also you can add photos, images, videos, shapes, transitions, animations, musics and much more. And all these added features are available in premium versions, and you can generate the video. So for example, now I am giving this content delicious and nutritious, the perfect curd. I am giving an advertisement for the curd company. So it gives this particular message: indulge your taste buds with the heavenly goodness of the premium curd, introducing curd like no other, meticulously crafted to tickle your palate and nourish your body. Experience the ultimate blend of taste and health in every spoonful. So this is the message I am entering. For this I am entering into the Synthesia, so which is a video creator or generator. You can click on create a free AI video. So it also supports 120 languages. So it produces high quality avatars and voiceovers. So all the voiceovers are being supported in 120 languages, even Hindi, French, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannadam, all the languages are being supported. You can click on create a free AI video. Here there are 5 templates available. You can select any demo video or sales pitch or learning and development, anything. So I am now selecting the demo video. So this is the place where you have to paste the content. So I am copying the message from here. I am copying the message which I have shown you now. I am taking the curd message. So this is the delicious and nutritious perfect curd for you. This video content is about to give on the curd. So there are some characters which are long, so I am removing certain lines since there are so it should be now the characters have been fit. Now I am clicking on continue. Here you have to enter your name. I am clicking on modular class. This is your name. You have to give the business email. And what about the Synthesia, where you found? You can click on I found on Google or Facebook or YouTube or Twitter. You can click on I'm not a robot. You can generate the free video. So whatever the text which you have been converting will be generated as a video. So the free video, before that you have to give the checkbox and click on the generate video. The video will be generated and you will receive the video via mail. So once it is ready, you will be receiving it through your mail. So once it is ready, the mail will be received. You can check your mail whether it's been received or not. Within a few minutes the mail will be received and you can use the created video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.